Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nitin Kokne Photography. Are you a photographer and that too a bird photographer and facing the problem of organizing the photographs in proper manner? Then you are at the right place. I have developed a unique method of organizing the photographs in Lightroom. So without wasting time, let us jump into the Lightroom and see how I have organized my photographs. Let us open Lightroom. When the Lightroom is open for the first time, you will see the interface blank as seen here. On the left side upper corner of the screen, you will see the name of the catalog which is open. Here you can see it as Lightroom catalog, which is the default catalog. Now let us open my catalog of named wildlife, in which I have all of my wildlife photographs. When the catalog is open, you can see all of my photographs. And in the left side corner, you can see the name in which the catalog is open. In the catalog, you can see all the photographs from all of my folders from the beginning. There are almost more than 4,000 photographs. Now let us see how I created folders in the catalog. I have kept all my folders in F drive of the PC with the name wildlife. I have created folders named year-wise 2017, 2018 and so on. In these yearly folders, I have created subfolders which contains the raw photographs as per my visit for photography. In 2017, I have created 14 folders. From the name of the folder, I can find out the visit number, place and date of the photography. Here, this is the first visit. NM means the place Nandur Madmeshwar and the date 4th January 2017. This folder contains 9 photographs. Similarly, I have stored photos in all the folders. The folder 2018 begins with the next number, that is 15, as the last number in 2017 was 14. Similarly, I have named the subfolders year-wise and now I have reached to the 100th folder. Place of visit is Kothure in the month of July. This is how I have created the folders and the subfolders. I have numbered all the folders so that I can keep proper track of my visits. Now we will see how I can see a particular species from all the folders on one click. This is made in collections. In collections, I have classified the birds alphabetically from A to Z. In the collection set A, I have kept the birds starting with alphabet A, and that is avocet, and I have pied avocet in this folder. There are 10 photographs from all the folders. If I click on this photograph, I can easily locate the location of this photograph. This is in the 31st folder. Clicked at Airoli and the date was 2nd December 2018. Similarly, if I click on this photograph, it is in 89th folder, clicked at Orissa in December 22. Similarly, if I click this D collection, there are collection sets of darter, dove, drongo, ducks and dunlin. And if I click on ducks collection set, I have different species of ducks like Eurasian teal, ferruginous ducks, gadwal, etc. Similarly, if I click this K collection, there are collection sets of kestrel, kingfisher and kite. And in the kingfisher collection set, there is black-capped kingfisher, brown-winged kingfisher, collared kingfisher, common kingfisher, crested kingfisher, ODKF, pied kingfisher, and the white-breasted kingfisher. Let us see white-breasted kingfisher. All the white-breasted kingfisher from all the folders can be seen here. If I click on this photo, it is in the 9th folder, clicked at Nandur Madmeshwar, dated 29 October 2017. And this photograph is in 100th folder, clicked at Kothur, July 2023. So friends, this is how I have organized all of my photographs right from 2017 onwards. There were thousands of photographs, but I sorted them and was left with 4000 photographs. This sorting was done in Lightroom itself. There is a provision in Lightroom wherein you can compare two photographs and keep the good photographs and can delete the photograph which is not that appreciable. If you have any suggestions, type in the comment box. I'll definitely follow it, or I'll try to answer your queries. I will be coming up with detailed videos on how to create catalog, folders and collection set in the Lightroom. If you have liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the further videos.